If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was all about family, balance, and getting back into rhythm, welcoming my dad, and preparing for the marathon. Let's get into the week. Monday. I started the week with a full reset. Cleaned the apartment, did laundry, organized everything before my dad's arrival. I went to the yard athletics for upper body workout. It felt good to get back to structure, mentally and physically. Now it's about consistency and finishing the year strong. Tuesday, my dad arrived in Vancouver. I picked him up at the airport, went to the Yaletown brewery for lunch, and walked along the seawall in Stanley Park. It feels good to have him here. In the morning before he arrived, I did some deadlift at the yard athletics, and I'm starting to feel stronger every week. The goal now 90 kilo with 12% body fat. Wednesday, we spent the day walking. We visited Granville Island and had lunch at the Granville brewery and explored the Museum of Vancouver. It's been nice to disconnect a bit, enjoy the city and be present. At night, I worked on videos. Thursday, we ran 10K in the morning. It was great to share that moment with my dad. Later, we went to the outlet stores near the airport and did some shopping. In the afternoon, I worked on my videos and made some progress. Friday, I had a gym session at Yard Athletics, upper body again. I'm getting stronger and enjoying this phase of training. My sleep consistency is improving after all the traveling. At night, we went to the Canucks against Oilers. We had some great seats and an overtime win by the Vancouver Canucks, 3-2. A special father-son moment I will remember. Saturday, my dad and I went for a long walk to UBC. Visited the Rose Garden, Wreck Beach, and Spanish Banks. We also saw a UBC ice hockey game, such a fun and physical game. We had sushi in Kitsilano and picked up my fiancé at the airport. Sunday, family day. We got pizza to go from Parlor Pizza and then had dinner at the Revolving Restaurant in downtown Vancouver. We celebrated my dad's birthday. The view was incredible and the food too. They even brought a birthday cake and a card for my dad. This week reminded me of what matters: family, presence, and gratitude. That's it for week 16. Training, family time, and small moments that make life meaningful. Now, it's time to keep the momentum going. The marathon is coming soon. If you are on your own journey, keep showing up. Follow the journey, and I will see you next week.